go there. Look.
Oh yeah.
Look, there's like fucking 10 of them.
Oh yeah, look, there's one in this backyard right here too. Look, it's right there. You see where the look, right?
The cave building.
Straight that way. You see the one I'm talking about, right? Look on this
Yes, I see it.
I don't see where the yard. Maybe there's a way around on the back side. Oh look, there's another one further. Look towards the back corner.
John.
There's another one at the back corner. Probably laid eggs there. Right?
John, we need to go. Come on.
You got the chicken feed. They feed the chickens in the middle of the road in Detroit. Yeah, look, he's quacking he's clucking his way back that way. There. You got those ones and then those ones. They probably lay the eggs in the corner or on this. I think
John,
they
they
came
have
from.
to be locked up.
Obviously they're not.
They're fucking open.
Probably came from that yard. I think they came from that yard.